AI isn't coming. It's already here. And it's moving faster than India has ever seen. Welcome to the future. Welcome to Bosswala. My name is Keshav Puri, and in this video, we'll explore AI and jobs. In the next 12 months, millions of white-collar jobs in India, yes, your job too, could be replaced by AI. From BPOs to Bangalore IT offices, the AI wave is real, and it's wiping out repetitive digital work. So, the big question, will you be replaced or will you reinvent yourself? Stay with me, this video could actually change how you see your future. Let's talk about top 10 Indian jobs being replaced by AI and what you can do in this scenario. First, data entry clerks. Over 8 lakh Indians work in data entry today, banks, hospitals, government offices. But now, AI tools like OCR and RPA scan forms, read handwriting, and fill data within seconds. Indian banks are already replacing data entry teams with bots. And recently, Arindam Paul from Attenborough stated, automation will eliminate repetitive, low-skill jobs first. So, what could be your next step? Learn how to build or sell automation tools instead of being replaced by them. Now let's talk about second, admin assistants. Jobs like email follow-ups, calendar scheduling, office coordination used to be a full-time job. But now, AI assistants like Microsoft Copilot and Google Duet do all of that better, faster, 24/7. In Indian startups and MNCs, even founders are now using AI assistants instead of hiring admin staff. Satya Nadella quoted, "Let an AI agent try age your email." What's the outcome? Admin roles are disappearing. They are finishing now. And what could be your next step? Shift towards people-oriented roles that need judgment. Or start managing virtual assistants for different businesses. That could be a better thing to do for this scenario. Let's talk about accounting and bookkeeping clerks. India has over 10 lakh people in finance and accounting support roles. But now, AI can audit books, generate balance sheets, even flag fraud in seconds. Top Indian firms are already using tools like Zoho Books with AI, reducing need for junior staff. And Bill Gates once quoted, "Roles in finance are increasingly vulnerable." We can all see that. What's the outcome? Routine accounting is collapsing like anything. And what you can do in this? Specialize in financial analysis or advisory, areas where humans still add value. Look for that thing. Fourth, human resources, recruiters and HR admins. How can we miss them? Resume screening, interview scheduling, employee onboarding. All these jobs, AI tools can now handle all of them. Platforms like Darwin Box, used by Indian corporates, automate 80% of HR admin tasks. Can you beat that? 30% of HR roles could be completely automated. Arvind Krishna, CEO of IBM, recently mentioned. So, what's the outcome? HR admin jobs are shrinking. They are almost at the verge of going, right? And what you could do? Focus on strategic HR roles, leadership development, or become an HR tech consultant. That could be a new role probably we'll be all seeing in the corporate sector. So what could be the next step? Focus on strategic HR roles, leadership development, or become an HR tech consultant. That is a better space to be in. Let's talk about customer support executives. Oh my God, the big buzz in the air is all about these people going to call centers, right, and attending calls day in, day out. India's BPO sector employs 2 to 3 crore people, but AI chatbots now handle FAQs, complaints, and even refunds without human help. Voice AI like Skit.ai, yes, they are made in India, is replacing human callers in banks and telecom. So what's the outcome? Call centers are downsizing. In every news that we see about call centers, they majorly talk about layoffs happening every now and then. So what could be your next step? Shift to managing AI systems or build customer experience solutions using AI. See, AI is something you cannot shy away now, and you have to incorporate AI in whatever you're doing right now. Sixth, let's talk about telemarketing and telesales. Cold calls, sales pitches, lead generation is now handled efficiently by AI. AI voice bots can dial thousands of numbers in one day, follow scripts, and even respond naturally. You cannot figure out if that is AI or a proper human being talking to you. In India, many real estate and edtech firms are already using them. Arindam Paul recently said 40 to 50% of white-collar jobs could cease to exist. So it's a high alarming state. We need to take some action towards it. What is the outcome? Sales call jobs are vanishing, finishing, khatam, tata, bye-bye. That's happening. So what could be your next step? Learn modern digital marketing or build a personal brand and sell high trust offers that can serve way better than what you're doing right now. Let's talk about content writers and copywriters. Oh my God, the big buzz about this is also in the air. Blog writing, ad copies, even YouTube scripts are now done by AI in seconds. Freelance writing jobs in India have dropped 30% in just the past year. AI tools like Jasper or ChatGPT are being used by agencies, replacing junior writers. And as mentioned in the Harvard Business Review, AI isn't just assisting writers, it is replacing them. And what's the outcome? We all know it, we all see it. Writing gigs are shrinking. The numbers are coming down. And what you should do in this scenario, become a brand storyteller, strategist, or focus on voice plus video content. Still hard for AI to master, but you can do it because you know it better. See, it is very simple. AI is again managed by humans, right? So we need to understand that. The better management of AI we do, the better it is for our jobs and for the opportunities that we get in the market. So the sooner we learn, the better it is for us, for all of us rather, right? Let's talk about graphic designers and illustrators. You need a logo, you need a poster or any banner. AI tools like Midjourney and DALL-E now generate stunning images in seconds. Trust me, you just give the right prompt, within seconds you'll get the whole graphic ready, the whole poster ready. And Indian startups are ditching junior designers for AI plus Canva kind of stuff, right? Generative AI is reshaping the labor market. World Economic Forum recently mentioned in their article. And what's the outcome of all of this? Basic design jobs, the basic ones, will be gone, finished, okay? And what you could do in this scenario? Focus on UI, UX, product design, or start a design-led brand with your own creative edge, because creativity is still there, which AI cannot touch, okay? So the more people-oriented jobs or creative-led jobs you'll pick, or somewhere you will plunge AI with your creativity, you will end up getting better results. Let's talk about legal assistants and paralegals. Legal research, contract, summaries, case briefs, all of it. AI tools can do it and they are master into that, okay? Firms in India are using CaseMine AI to reduce legal grunt work, cutting junior hiring. Again, junior hirings are in risk, or probably they are not hiring anybody in that junior category. AI will make lawyers more efficient. Sam Altman from OpenAI recently stated. So what's the outcome of this? Junior roles, as I mentioned, are disappearing. They are going. And we need to think about it. And what could we do in this scenario? Probably what could be our next step? Become a specialist consultant or offer AI augmented legal services. See, here also you see that AI is incorporated in whatever you're doing. So if you mix that, you will get better results, I'm telling you, but it is just that you have to take that next step, right? Or what you can do if you're not probably using AI right now, you've got some better options. I'll tell you probably later in this video, right? Last but not the least, let's talk about junior coders and testers. India has millions of junior developers, but tools like GitHub Copilot and Replit Ghostwriter can now write and debug code automatically within seconds. Even Google says 25% of its new code is now written by AI. And as Imad Mustaq recently mentioned, most outsourced coders in India will be gone in the next year or two. Oh my God. This is terrifying, this is alarming, and this is the time where we need to take a big leap, a big step. What is the outcome? Routine day work, right, is under threat. And which is why the next step that you should take is learn how to build AI products, work in strategy, or become a founder, right? I know it's tough, but at least try to do that, because somewhere down the line you have to take these steps, right? Big takeaway, let's be real, guys. AI isn't just a tool, it is a tsunami. And if your job is routine, repetitive, or digital, sorry to tell you, but it is in danger. But here's the opportunity, the good part. Use AI as your partner, as I told you. Mix AI. Incorporate AI into things, okay? Into what you're doing, right? Build your own thing. That's again great. And be your own boss. Come on, we all want to do that, but it's not that easy. Still, we can try to do that, okay? How to build an AI-proof career in India. I'll just give you quick tips, but in case you would like to watch a detailed video on this topic, please mention in the comments. Tell us that if you want that. If in case I get some, more comments wanting me to make a detailed video on this, I'll surely do that. But right now I'm just sharing few quick tips. Focus on roles that need judgment, empathy, creativity, and leadership, okay? Start small. Consulting, coaching, digital services, or solopreneurship. That's again a nice space to be in, rather a safe space to be in. Learn to use AI tools to become 10x faster, not just cheaper. Because of this new AI wave in India's new economy, entrepreneurship isn't a luxury, it is a survival. See, I know, AI may take your job, but it can't take your ideas, your ambition, or your hunger to build. So, don't wait for anything to come. Don't wait for that knock to happen. Create, adapt, and become the boss of your own future. And for more such informative videos, follow Bosswala. And only at 999 you get the subscription of Bosswala app for 1 year, where you get access to all the videos, all the content that is available on the app in 6 different languages. We've got 500 plus courses in 6 different languages. You get access of all of that only at 999. So don't miss that. Follow us for more such videos. Like this video. Share this video with your friends if you think that this video is more relatable to you in today's scenario. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you get a notification whenever we upload any content, any video, any shorts on the channel. And I'll see you soon in the next video.
Bosswala. Be the boss.